Patricia.
And today we are going to be doing the bedtime routine. Okay, let's get started. My name is Samantha.
My name is Simba.
And my name is Stacy.
My name is Barbie. And my name is Rosie.
Now let's get started with the bedtime routine. Let's start. Okay, let's go and get ready for bed. Don't we need our night suits? I'm pretty sure we do.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure we have to because our clothes is not for sleeping.
Yep, let's get
Angel together.
Yep. Okay, Simba, since you're the smallest, you're going to go to your room and we're going to go to our room.
Yeah, in your room because we're sleeping there.
Yep, and some are going to sleep downstairs. Okay, now let's get started by our sleeping routine. So I think we need to get our dinner ready. Then let's
change our clothes.
Yep. Okay, let's go get our dinner.
I'm pretty hungry.
I'm going to the kitchen. Well, you're going to the kitchen. I am going to go upstairs and help Tracy go to bed because he's not going to go to bed ever if we don't let him go to bed.
What? He doesn't go to bed with you?
Yeah, that's true. I'm going to go and do the kitchen. She's going to be doing the kitchen. I'm going to go upstairs and help Tracy sleep. Beep. Beep. Bring in the elevator.
Show her too.
Beep. Up and oops. There. Oops. Perfect.
Now what should we do?
Beep. Went down. Okay, come on, Tracy. No more time to go over there. I think you want to sleep with your favorite cushion and sleep on the couch. Okay, here, your favorite cushion.
Cushion.
And I'm going to put this one upstairs. Here, Tracy, your favorite pillow. And
I'm going to wash my hands, but the towel fell.
oops.
Need to put the towel again.
Okay.
See you. Now I need to wash my hands. Open the sink. Now wipe my hands with the towel. Wipe my hands. Time to wipe them nice and dry. I have to go upstairs and I better get out.
Everybody ate dinner.
Let's go up to change our clothes, but first let's change our clothes.
I'm gonna change in my sleeping suit. Oh, I'm wearing my morning suit. I'm gonna change into my sleeping suit.
And this is washroom. Tracy is sleeping on the pillow at the front. A blanket. And this is the pillow. Time to sleep.
Everybody is ready to sleep. These are their sleeping suits or night suits.
I wore this and it really looks like my name is Patricia and I wore this red shirt and pants because it looks more like a sleeping night suit. My name is Rosie and I wore this because it's so soft and it's my favorite dress to wear at the nighttime.
I wore this because this the spooky things. I like spooky things a lot.
My name is Barbie and I wanted to wear this suit because it says loves and it has hearts.
My name is Patricia, and I wore the suit because I love pink and white. They're so beautiful. I wore this because I love wearing love dresses, and it says love with a puppy print on it. And it reminds me of my pet Tracy. Now we all have to go to our rooms to sleep. Let's go up. Okay, I think 2 by 2 is the one maximum, or 3 by 3.
Yeah. Simba, I guess have to go because little people have to go too. And beep. Let's go up.
I'll beep the button. Beep. Here. Simba, you can go ahead. Time for me to go up.
And time for me to put.
Time for me to open. Time for me to open the door. Okay. Oops, my closet. And I'm gonna take my favorite dolphin toy here, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. And I'm also gonna close the window. Click and click.
Time to get out and go to my bed. Sleeping time. Tracy is already sleeping.
Okay. I should sleep.
Good night, everyone. Whoever is sleeping now, but
Finally, my turn. Beep. Whoever wants to come next is coming next. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna open the door. Finally, my turn. I was so sleepy. I'm gonna set the timer up before we're gonna wake up. And then tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. in the morning, beep, beep, beep. There we go. Good night, everyone, whoever is watching this. Beep.
time for me.
I'm ready to sleep. Okay. Close the door.
She has to be a bit there too.
And good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.